good morning. So today we are going to go over nutrition labels. So after today's lesson, you students are going to know how to understand a food label and its contents. So I pulled up this example from our textbook. Just a quick breakdown on the nutrition labels. One, they all look like this. So if you go to your pantry, pull out a bag of chips or your cookies or pasta, this is what you're going to see on the back of the package. So up at the top, we say our serving size and servings per container. So your nutrition label, all of the facts down below are based off one serving size. So these numbers aren't for the whole box. So that takes a little bit of math, and that's what we're going to do today. So for this particular nutrition label, one serving size is about 12 pretzels. So these numbers are based off of those 12 pretzels. Below our serving size, we have our calories. So for 12 pretzels, we have 110 calories. Below that, we have our nutrients, so our fats, the carbohydrates, our proteins. So for 12 pretzels, there's 1 gram of fat. There's 23 grams of carbs, 3 proteins for 12 pretzels. Alrighty, so then down below, we have our vitamins and minerals. So these are listed as a percentage of your daily needs. Majority of the time, your nutrition labels are going to be based off of a 2,000 calorie diet. Now, not everyone lives off of a 2,000 calorie diet, but that is just what they base the numbers off of. So we're going to look at other nutrition labels and answer some questions based off the serving sizes and calories. I'm going to do the first one with you all, so you can just follow along. Then we are going to do the next label. So I'll give you guys a couple minutes to come up with your answers, and then I will go by step again and make sure you all followed along or understood if you made a mistake, where you made that mistake at. And then you all are going to be on your own answering the other labels, and then we'll come back at the end and go over everything together. Alrighty, so our first example are pizza rolls. I know we all love pizza rolls. They're delicious, they taste good, they're easy to make. But let's go ahead and take a look at the nutrition facts. Are they really healthy for us? Alrighty, so this is our nutrition label. So a serving size is 6 rolls. So all of these numbers below are based off of 6 rolls. Now what I want us to do is we're going to answer these questions based off of eating 12 rolls, so 2 servings. Alrighty, so when we go over, we're looking at number 1. So how many calories did we consume based on the 12 rolls we ate? So 220 calories is based off of 6 rolls, but we ate 12. So you can pull up your calculator if you need to. I've got mine right here. So 220 plus 220, because that's 2, is 440. So we ate 440 calories based off of the 12 rolls. Okay. So how many calories are coming from the total fat that we eat in the 12 rolls? So remember, 1 gram of fat equals 9 calories. So we've got our 9 grams here. So if we wanted to see how many calories were based off of the 9 grams, we would go 9 times 9 is 81. So we consumed 81 calories from the total fat based off of 1 serving. So a nice easy way, just like we did with the first one, we can go 9 plus 9 is 18, and then we multiply that by the 9 calories. So we did 9 grams plus 9 grams, got 18, multiply that by the 9 calories, that gives us 162 calories. So based off of the 12 rolls we ate, that's 162 calories. Alrighty, so for number 3, what percentage of our daily value of sodium are we consuming? So if we look down below, sodium is 410 milligrams, but over on the right, we have 17% of our daily value. So again, 12 rolls, we're gonna go 17 times 2, because we had 2 servings, that's 34. 34% of our daily value is what we are consuming of sodium. If we were to consume the whole container of pizza rolls, how many calories are we consuming? So when we look at the top, 6 rolls per 1 serving. But there are 7 servings for the whole container. So we want to take that calories, 220, and we're going to multiply that by 7 because there's 7 servings in this container. That gives us 1,540 calories for the whole box. That's a lot. So part B, if we're eating that 2,000 calorie diet, how many calories would we have left? So we've got the 1,540. We can just go ahead and subtract 2,000 from that. We are left with 460 calories for the rest of the day. That's not a lot. So obviously we wouldn't want to eat the entire thing of pizza rolls. So for what you all are going to do, you're going to take some time and answer the next label. The good old Shamrock Shake. Questions are pretty similar, except I threw in carbs into this mix. So you all are going to take some time to work on this one. And of course, if you need help, raise your hand. I'll pull you into a private chat and we can break it down a little more, but I want you guys to kind of practice based off of what we did with the first nutrition label. And obviously afterwards, then I would come in and go over everything. I would watch the students, make sure when they're working on it and having them explain their answers, show me how they got their answers so I can see where they went wrong and we can correct that. Any accommodations for the students, if they have an IEP 504, obviously they would get extended time on the assignment, positive encouragement to keep working. If they need a little additional help, I can pull them into a private chat and break it down more if I need to, or see where they're struggling. Any ELL students, we can work on the Google Translate. Those that need extra accommodations, they can use a text reader. But yeah, so hopefully at the end of this lesson, students would be able to understand nutrition labels and its contents and hopefully make healthier decisions when picking food items out.